Hey people, so keeping by this whole thing of, ever since this lockdown has begun, I've been sitting and bugging friends with whatever, like either an audio message or a video message to kind of tell them a big thank you for just being my friend. Probably, I mean, like, these things one should, get around to actually saying it. So among my circle, like, I have this friend called Meghna Rao. She's one of the most accomplished painters and mommies I've ever seen. Like, you're really, if you were to see her paintings, it's like, I think paintings of that caliber you can only see in some, the Museum of Art in London, or it is of that stature. So, and if you were to see Meghna, she's a gorgeous young lady. Like, she's actually the mother of a classmate of my child. So I've saved her number as Mithika's mommy on my phone. And truly, yeah, I mean, besides being such a amazing painter, she's just one of the nicest people you could possibly meet in your life. That's how high I hold Meghna in my, uh, I mean, there are some people you would meet them just once or twice, but they kind of leave an impact on you. So Meghna is one such person. See, today is May 15th, so I'm finally going to be seeing my child after a gap of 2 years, 2 months. It feels like 2 years, but that's what my kid stays with his dad. And so, I mean, Meghna has seen me through, like, when I was going through a rather painful divorce when my child was 4. Um, Meghna is one person who, each time I'd meet her at my child's school, I could, like, just totally, download all my problems on her, and she'd be calmly listening, and one of the most empathetic people you can meet. So see, I'm getting emotional as I make this video because, like I've told her also, that people who are there for you during your rough times, you'll always remember them. So thank you, Meghna. I think you're like a gem. I mean, like, you're like Tribhuvan Das, Bhimji Zaveri level of gem. I mean, you don't meet people of of this caliber on a daily basis. So thanks, Meghna. Thanks for being you. You're like, mwah. I mean, so far I've made easily around some 5, 6, no more than that. I think these short little videos for friends. But I think among all the people I know I'll get into trouble for this. But seriously, Meghna is one person whom, yeah, it's a salute, and basically I'm her fan. So so really, people, this video, it's 3 minutes long. I can keep speaking for like 33 minutes, and I'll still have so much more to say. But truly, yeah, this video is just for you, and thanks for being you. And yeah, and she's been one person who's helped me on this YouTube journey. No matter how tacky my videos, she's always been encouraging. So thank you, girl. Thank you. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.